Hi guys, how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Now launch the Roblox app and tap the three lines, more icon in the top left corner of your screen. This is where all the hidden settings live. Scroll down and tap settings from the list. Don't rush past this because the next step is where most people get stuck. Tap on account info at the top. Here's the secret. To qualify for voice chat, you must have a verified phone number and a verified email address. Missing either one means voice chat won't show up. If voice chat is still not appearing after that, scroll down inside account info and select verify my age. You'll need to upload a government issued ID and a selfie to confirm you're 13 or older. Keep watching because this step takes up to 24 hours to process. Once your age is verified, go back to the settings menu and select privacy. Scroll to the communication section and toggle the switch for voice chat, labeled as voice data usage, to the on position. That's it, you're done. Now you can talk to your friends in-game.